To anyone watching this video, I hope you've had a really Merry Christmas, and I hope you are going to have a fantastic New Year as well. Thanks very much for joining me today here on Astro-Dwarf Adventures. This is a fantastic time of year. It's all about giving, family, break from work, good food and drinks, and just making merry and enjoying what this time of year is all about, which is about goodwill and great times. I have had a blast. I've had a nice break from work. I've been able to get out and use the telescope just a little bit as well, which has been fantastic. And there's been a lot of developments in my channel. First off, I have now qualified for the YouTube Partnership Program, which means I'm able to offer a community area with specific membership tiers for my subscribers and followers of this channel. And this is all down to you guys. As I've said before, this channel only exists because of you, not because of me. As much as I love the Dwarf telescope, as much as I love astrophotography and being out, and as much as I love making videos and editing these videos and putting them all together, the whole process, enjoy the whole thing. But unless you guys want to watch my content, there'd be no point me to do this. So it's you guys that have made my channel a success, and for that I am eternally grateful for all your support. It has been fantastic, and it has made my journey so much more enjoyable. Talking to you guys, answering your comments, collaborating with Dwarflab. I will be doing other collaborations with other YouTubers as well. I'm having a blast. This has been fantastic. And as I said, you guys are the ones that keep me inspired to keep doing it. So thank you very much. This channel would not be where it is today if it wasn't for you. Talking briefly about the YouTube membership. What we have now is a dedicated community area where you can become a member of my YouTube channel. This is fantastic for me. It helps support my channel, and hopefully it's great for you guys because I'll be able to offer more exclusive content, do a lot more content, and actually have more opportunity to interact directly with you guys, whether it's through social media, whether it's through live chats, live videos, and live collaborations, not just with other YouTubers, but with you guys as well. I want to build up this community, and this is going to be a great platform to do it. So if you're interested on the YouTube membership, which really helps me keep going and keeps inspiring me to keep doing what I'm doing, because I do love doing it. So any support you guys can give me is so much appreciated. You have no idea. And where you've taken me already, I couldn't be more appreciative. If you can keep supporting me and help me further, then absolutely that will keep me going 150% full steam ahead into this new year. So a brief overview then of the membership tiers and what they are and how it would help me. So here they are here. So we have our 3 YouTube membership levels. We have supporter, which will offer you supporter only loyalty badges, members only live chats, and priority reply to your comments. Support level is great. I am so thankful for anyone even signs on at this level. Running a YouTube channel does have expense, driving around to different locations to get some dark skies, even taking some time off work to be able to edit and manage these videos. All takes time, and your support is very, very much appreciated, and thank you for anyone that signed up to the supporter level. We also have warp speed, which is the next level up. Because everything you get in the support level, but you also get early access to my new videos, photos and status updates exclusive to this level, exclusive members only videos, which you only get at this level or above, and members only live streams, where I'll be doing live streams often when I'm shooting live, doing some astrophotography, and these will be live on our members area at this level or above. And then we have the Masters of the Universe level, which has all the benefits of the previous 2 levels. Also includes connecting directly to me on social media and virtual video collaborations where I will collaborate with you, and we can have live streams and or videos where we're working together and showing the results of what we're doing and talking about our journeys and everything we're doing with this Dwarf 2 telescope. So these are the 3 levels that we have, as you can see here. if you can come in at any level at all, it is very, very much appreciated. And again, thanks very much for all your support. I couldn't do this without you guys. I wouldn't want to do it without you guys. It's you guys that make my channel possible. So again, any other support you can give me is so much appreciated. Thanks very much for anyone that's subscribed and followed my videos. And also now, if you are able to join my YouTube membership community and support me at any level, again, thank you very much for that. You have no idea how much I appreciate this. It is fantastic. Now, Christmas, as we said, is all about giving. You guys have gave me so much. Dwarflab have given me so much. They sent me a little Christmas present. They sent me this new Dwarflab design top, which is fantastic. They also sent me some merch, and I don't know if this merch is going to be available on their site to buy. I hope it is, because it's really, really good. And designed by our pal at Dwarflab, Claire, who she designed all of this herself. So we have a Dwarf 2 thermos, a little thermos here, which is absolutely fantastic. So when you're out on those cold nights, you can keep your coffee nice and warm, or your tea nice and warm. It says the universe stays cold, at least your coffee is hot. And it's got little dwarf labs all over it. I don't know if you can see that. I'll hold it up there. Absolutely brilliant little thermos. Can't wait to get using that, and I certainly will be. I do like my coffee out in those cold nights when I'm doing my astrophotography, so this is brilliant. Also a couple of little mugs she sent me as well, which is good. So this one reads, Dwarf is just my cup of tea. And again, absolutely fantastic, with a little Dwarf 2 telescope on it as well. Absolutely fantastic. And another little mug, which is my dwarf is calling. So absolutely brilliant again. So I hope these are made available. I hope they actually put them on to their website, so you can buy them directly, whether it's off their website or whether it's through their Amazon page or whatever it happens to be, because they are really good. So well done, Claire, because the designs are fantastic. I think you've done really well with that, and I'm sure if you make them available to everyone, they'll be a roaring success, because they're absolutely fantastic, and they're novelty and they're fun, and I just love them. So thank you very much. That was what Dwarflab gave me. Now, that's what they gave me. What are they going to give you? Well, this is an exclusive, and I'm very, very proud and very happy that Dwarflab are going to assist me in trying to give something back to the community. So what we're going to do is a giveaway. This giveaway will be exclusive on this channel, and you will see you'll get more information on the giveaway in the next video that's just coming up. This was just a wee quick video to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, but I will be doing an exclusive giveaway sponsored by Dwarflab, who'll be giving away to my community that I'm building up. So watch out for that video. I'll be dropping in the next day or two, I promise you, and I will be doing this exclusively on my channel for my subscribers and for my viewers. So watch out for that. It's going to be good. So with that being said, again, Merry Christmas. I hope you have an amazing New Year, and I'll speak to you guys soon. And remember, don't forget to look up, because you just don't know what you're going to see. Thanks very much, guys. Take care.